Yeah, she's got 8.
Wow!
Now, can you count your one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay! Look!
Wow. Are you ready to bake those?
Now I have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now.
Today is actually the first day of school holidays, and this is how my kitchen looks like. We have a few activities with the kids lined up and things for me to cook. So this is going to be stored in a few minutes from now. So I'm going to make ricotta and spinach with some sauce. I think I'd like to have that. And for the kids' activities, we will be doing these chocolate chunk cookies.
Hiya! Hiya! Yeah. We're gonna make cookies, chocolate chip. Yay! Mommy's gonna help us. It's going to need 1 out of 3 cups, 80 degrees butter. Us to do thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Open it up. Now you see we have the dough. We have the flour to make the dough, and we have chocolate chip cookies with chunks. Now we're gonna pour it in. Me and my sister will mix it. Me. So it's okay. I want this one. Okay. So keep mixing and I'll get the eggs. We'll put the eggs inside.
That's the butter.
I mean the butter. Because the butter looks also like eggs. But I can't tell. Sometimes I love to tell you. So you have to mix. So we're gonna mix it. And put the eggs in. And mix some more. To make the dough. Oh, let's put some here. We can't forget any of the flour. Because it won't be good. So mix. You see, it's forming to dough. It's tough. So we have to keep mixing. And then we're gonna get now we're gonna roll up our sleeves, and we're gonna and we're gonna get some and roll it into bowl.
Okay.
So that's how you make cookies. You have our own, so just pick a handful and roll it. This won't be that messy, but you just gotta wash it off with water and soap in the end.
Okay.
So you have to roll it nice and soft, and and then you put it on your tray, and you have to look like a bowl because the heat
The circles.
is too hot that it makes it flatten. So just make it as a bowl.
the girls are ready now for taste test. This is just cooling here on the rack, and we're gonna have some yummy afternoon tea.
Yeah! I'll have the strawberries first because the cookies are so yum.
Okay.
Could you have some milk in it so I can dunk it, please? Mommy?
Sure.
Thank you. Mom, this one is like a basic. Okay, the other one.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please click subscribe and also click the bell so you will be notified when we have a new video coming up. And yeah, please leave a comment as well. I'd like to hear what you think about this video. Thank you so much. You have a lovely day. Bye for now. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
Had never happened to little Miss Hug before. Mr. Guppy pushed her away. Get off me, said Mr. Guppy. Little Miss Hug could